Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel, that is Still a Learner. So today in this video we are going to discuss class 8 unit 1 project work. Okay, English unit 1 project work we are going to see here of class 8. Okay, so let's see the project work. In the lesson The Best Christmas Present in the World, you have read about World War I. Collect information about different wars and their adverse effects on human life. Okay, so this is the question. So famous world wars in the history are World War I, World War II, and impacts of war on human life. Okay, these are the three we are going to discuss here. Just see the pictures. Let's see World War I, which had taken in 1917 to 1918. Okay, so World War I, also known as the Great War, was one of the biggest global conflicts in history. The war began in Europe in 1914, but the US didn't formally enter the war until 1917 after President Woodrow Wilson urged Congress to declare war on Germany. This was due in part to Germany's failure to abide by its agreement to stop its submarine warfare against the US in the Mediterranean and North Atlantic. Germany had also been trying to convince Mexico to join them in solidarity against the US, means United States. The US became part of the Allied power, which include Britain, France, Japan, and Russia. The Allied powers were victorious over the Central Forces, which included Australia, Bulgaria, Germany, Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire. World War I ended with the 1918 signing of the Treaty of Versailles. Okay, this is about World War I. Now we'll see the World War II, which had taken in 1941 to 1945. Okay, let's see this. World War II started in 1939 after Germany invaded Poland on September 1. However, the US didn't officially get involved until Japanese forces attacked Pearl Harbor. Congress did not delay declaring war on Japan the day after Pearl Harbor was bombed, December 8, 1941. Just a few days after the US declaration of war on Japan, Germany declared war on the US. The US became part of the Allied power, which also included Great Britain and the Soviet Union, which had already been entangled in the war since 1939. Germany, Japan, and Italy formed the opposing Axis powers. Ultimately, Germany surrendered on May 8, 1945, after multiple cities was firebombed and their dictator Adolf Hitler committed suicide on April 30, 1945. The war officially ended on September 2, 1945, when Japan formally surrendered following the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, next side heading is impacts of war on human life. Okay, so war destroys communities and families and often disrupts the social and economic development of nations. The effects of a war include long-term physical and psychological damage to children and adults, as well as a decrease in property and population. Okay guys, this is all about this project work. I hope guys you all like this. If you like it, means if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, if you have doubts, please don't hesitate to comment me below, and you may also join me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay guys, thank you so much once again. Bye bye, take care.